move-in day to my new place. I am going to walk around for the first time and show you guys my place all empty because I know you're gonna want to see it. I love to see when people just move in, so I'm not gonna ramble. I'm just going to take you guys with me, so let's go.
The world better prepare for when I'm a billionaire.
Here's the door, and this is what you see when you walk in. So here's my kitchen. It's a kitchen. I think it's pretty self-explanatory. Farmhouse sink, and I love these cabinets. They're dark stained cabinets, and I have a ton, so plenty of storage space. If you have been riding with me for a minute, you will see that this kitchen is very reminiscent of my old kitchen in my apartment previously, but it's very big, so I'm going to do lots of cooking and what I eat in a day videos. Here's my fridge, freezer, fridge. Just have my stuff there. This is my stove and my oven, microwave, and this is the rest of my kitchen, guys. Lots of drawer space. Super geeked about that. There's my dishwasher. It's a dishwasher, nothing new or exciting about that. The kitchen opens up into my living room. I actually really love the floors. And this is what it looks like from the living room. And coming from the kitchen, it's a little shelf, which I like. Then you come over here. This is my room, right here, and I do have a door to my patio balcony area, and this is what it looks like. I'm gonna put my bed right there, my dresser right there that has my TV on it, and this is my main closet. So it's high ceilings, I like that. Here is, that fan is loud. Here's gonna be what's gonna be my bathroom. This is technically the guest bedroom and the guest bath, but I'm gonna make this into my bathroom just cause, I don't know, it's big and I like it. So, shelves. Tub, and a shower. Okay, and you walk back out. Oh, this is my washer and dryer. So that's my little laundry area. I do wish it was like I had a room, but this will do. As long as I can get the laundry done. It's the biggest thing. The entrance, kitchen. So you walk back through the kitchen, and this is what's going to be my office. You see that? And this is the guest bathroom, or just, this is going to be my bathroom I shower in, basically. Got the shower right there. And here's another closet. To me, it's not as big. I don't know if it's the same size, just shaped differently, but it just seems smaller. I don't know. So this is the closet, and that opens back up into this bathroom and what will be my office. And yeah, that is my little apartment. That's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this tour. I'm so excited to be here. It's been a long time coming. I'm definitely going to do some moving vlogs today. I'm just coming in and I'm just gonna clean everything and bring in, you know, just small stuff that I have. Tomorrow, the movers are coming to bring all my furniture, and you know, I'm gonna bring you guys with me as I decorate and organize and all that good stuff. So definitely thumbs up if you like my new place. I just got back in. I'm having a bite to eat, and then I'm going to clean up, do my walkthrough to mark off like if there's anything needing fixing or whatever, and wait for the internet guy to come turn on the internet. None of my furniture is in here yet. I'm just going to pretty much go through and clean this whole place from top to bottom, literally. I'm gonna do everything but the floors, since the movers have to move furniture in tomorrow and it doesn't make sense to clean it until everything's in. So I am about to get my clean on. I am trying out a bunch of method cleaners. So as you can see, I have all my cleaning agents. And I brought a box of cleaning products from my house. So yeah, I'm about to get this party started. Okay, y'all. So I wanted to do a home decor haul, but the way my life has been set up with this move, nothing is going the way that I thought it would. Not necessarily in a bad way, just it's not. So as I unpack and like put things away and open them, I thought I would show you guys a few things that I have been getting. I got this from my closet because all my wrap shelves are one height. So this will add a lower height for me. A satin pillowcase. And then I got this to put on my tub so that I can have a deeper bath. Because don't you just hate when your bath is all good, but then it's like the top half of your body is out and cold because of the drain? Yeah. I got this for my kitchen sink. This is Simple Human sensor pump, soap pump. So we'll see how I like it. It seems like it would be really convenient. And I think I'm just gonna pop this bad boy right here, maybe, or right here, probably. We'll see how that works out. My comforter's new. I got it from Target. So this is the comforter set. I still need to get a couple pillows. And then this is the knitted throw or blanket. I got the sheets. They're the jersey sheets from Walmart. They're so comfy. Oh my God. And so yeah, that's it for my bed. I will show you guys like new things as I get them and or as I unpack them so that it can be somewhat of a home decor haul. I got up at 3 this morning and the movers were at my old apartment by 7:30. And so I've been going all day. I got my kitchen done and my bedroom done. That was my goal for today, just so that I can like function for the rest of the week until I can unpack everything. So I will see you guys tomorrow.